Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to dive into something that has completely changed the game for creators, especially those looking to break into the world of children's books. If you've ever thought about creating your own children's book but found the process too overwhelming, complicated, or expensive, well, today, I'm going to introduce you to TinyBooks, an incredible new tool that will make your life so much easier. Now, before we get into all the amazing features of TinyBooks, let me tell you something about the children's book industry. It's massive, worth over $25 billion, and it's only growing. Parents and educators are always looking for new ways to engage kids, and children's books are one of the most powerful tools to spark their imagination, teach new concepts, or just provide some fun entertainment. The potential here is huge, but let's be honest, creating a children's book can be tough. From coming up with a unique idea, writing the story, creating illustrations, and then formatting it for print, it all sounds like a lot of work. And the technical side of things? Don't even get me started. It can be expensive and time-consuming, especially when you're just getting started. That's where TinyBooks comes in. This tool is a game changer, especially for first-time authors or anyone who wants to make a book without needing a huge budget or years of experience. TinyBooks is an AI-powered platform that handles almost every part of the book creation process, from writing and illustrating to formatting and publishing. You basically just need a spark of an idea, and TinyBooks will take care of the rest. No more stressing over illustrations, editing, or complicated publishing steps. TinyBooks does it all for you, and it does it in a fraction of the time. Here's how it works. The process is ridiculously simple. You start by typing in a keyword, a title, or a topic that you want your book to be about. And that's it. From there, the AI takes over. It instantly generates a fully written book, complete with illustrations, layout, and formatting. Whether you're working on a children's storybook, a coloring book, a puzzle book, or even a comic, the platform's advanced AI creates the entire project for you. The best part? It happens in a matter of minutes. Imagine going from having a basic idea to holding a fully designed book in your hands in no time at all. Once your book is ready, you can export it in multiple formats: PDF, EPUB, MOBI, and even print-ready files. So whether you're planning to sell your book on Amazon, Etsy, or anywhere else, you can do it easily and directly. And here's where TinyBooks gets even better. There are no hidden fees or royalties. You keep 100% of your profits. That means no middlemen, no cutting into your earnings, and no complicated submission processes. You can upload your book to the platform of your choice and start selling immediately. Now, let's talk about the features that really make TinyBooks stand out. First, there's the AI-powered content creation. The tool allows you to generate high-quality content for various genres, whether it's a kid's storybook, a comic book, or even a horror story. It doesn't matter what your idea is, TinyBooks can bring it to life. Plus, the built-in AI graphic designer ensures that your book looks as professional as it reads. You can select from a variety of illustration styles, from hand-drawn art for children's books to dynamic comic panels. The customization options are impressive. You can adjust colors, styles, and layouts to match your vision. If you're not a designer, don't worry. TinyBooks has a simple drag-and-drop editor that allows you to organize your chapters, adjust the layout, and tweak the design. There are also customizable story templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. These templates give you a solid foundation, and you can easily adjust them to fit your creative ideas. Plus, the multilingual capabilities allow you to create books in multiple languages, which is perfect if you want to reach a global audience. Another standout feature is the interactive elements TinyBooks lets you add to ebooks. Imagine adding clickable links, pop-up illustrations, or even audio narration. This brings your book to life in a way that makes it more engaging for kids. It's a fantastic way to stand out from the crowd, especially if you're working on interactive ebooks. If you're worried about the technical side, TinyBooks also provides regular updates and new features. It's not a tool that stays stagnant. New templates, graphics, and AI improvements are consistently rolled out, so you'll always be ahead of the curve. Plus, the platform includes world-class support and easy-to-follow training videos, so even if you're new to this whole book creation thing, you'll have everything you need to succeed. TinyBooks also offers a commercial license, so whether you're a freelancer or a small business, you can create and sell books without restrictions. And yes, you keep all the profits. This is huge, especially when you compare it to traditional publishing routes, where you might lose a chunk of your earnings. To sum it up, TinyBooks is one of those tools that simplifies the entire book creation process and puts the power in your hands. Whether you're a first-time author or someone looking to expand your publishing portfolio, TinyBooks takes the stress and complexity out of the equation. It's fast, it's efficient, and best of all, it's incredibly user-friendly. If you've been dreaming of creating a children's book or any other kind of creative project, TinyBooks could be the key to unlocking your potential. So, if you've ever wanted to dive into the world of publishing but didn't know where to start, give TinyBooks a try. It might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Catch you in the next video.